Dear students, I am studying about physics of class 10 and we have to guide about optics. What do you mean optics? Optics is the branch of science physics. Optics is the branch of physics in which we study about visible objects and also instruments of the lights. Understand what I am saying? Optics is the branch of physics in which we study about the optical instruments and visible objects and also ray of lights. Then light. Now we can across the point light. What do you mean light? What is the light? Light is the form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy and all objects are visible. All objects are visible in the presence of light. The speed of light, in vacuum. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 multiple 10 to power 8 meter per second. Light is a form of energy and all objects are visible in the presence of light. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 multiple 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It means all objects can be seen with the help of the light. In the absence of light, we cannot see any object. So we can say that on the basis of the light, how many kinds of objects, how many types of objects on the basis of light. There are two kinds of objects, luminous objects and non-luminous objects. What do you mean by luminous objects? Those objects they can emit light are known as the luminous object. As for example, the sun is a luminous object. Burning of candle is a luminous object. Glowing of bulb is known as the luminous object because they are emitting light. So we can say that these are known as the luminous objects. All stars are luminous objects because stars have own light because they are emitting light. So we can see the emitted light by stars, due to which we can say that stars are luminous. हम जानते हैं कि हमारे जो तारे हैं ये असंख्य है, अनलिमिटेड है, अनकाउंटेड है. न्यूमरस वैल्यूज में ये आते हैं जिसको हम देखते हैं कि दे आर ट्विंकलिंग मींस ये टिमटिमाते तारे दिखाई देते हैं. But on the basis of the concept we can say that they are far away from me, they are far away from us. हमसे बहुत दूर हैं और यही कारण है कि चूंकि ये हमारे बहुत दूर होने के कारण ये रिफ्लेक्शन की सामना करते हैं. They are emitted, यानी it means they are emitting light, but the light ray can polarize with the help of the reference point. Light can pass through the medium of the vacuum, and due to which it means some mediums are present. It means with the help of the vacuum, with the help of the air, or with the help of the moisture. So light can collide with the help of the medium, or due to which they can bend, they can turn, they will be deviated with the from normal point. They can normal point, due to which we can see that the lights are coming on the earth, or they are coming far away from. It means इतनी दूरी से तारे अपने प्रकाश को उत्सर्जित करते हैं कि आज भी कहा जाता है मिलियंस एंड बिलियंस एंड ट्रिलियंस तारे के अभी भी प्रकाश रास्ते में हैं। अभी तक रास्ते में पहुंचने में इसको 5000 अरब वर्ष लगता है। अभी इसको पहुंचने में कुछ तारे का जो अभी नजदीक थे, जो तारे नजदीक थे उनके प्रकाश हमारे पास पहुंच गए, और उस प्रकाश को हम लोग देख के कहते हैं कि हमारे तारे के प्रकाश पहुंच रहे हैं। और ये these are known as the luminous object।